here are 6 pattern recommendations if you need a little sexy Valentine's Day dress. Hi guys, Baby G here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am a sewing influencer and content creator, and today I'm just going to be sharing 6 pattern recommendations that I think would make amazing Valentine's Day date night dresses. So let's get right into it. So the first one is Know Me 2114, which is this one by Lindsay. I love this little set. Can you see this in like a pink like she has it, or even like in a beautiful red fabric? I love this pattern. This could be made and worn every day, but you could like zhuzh it up, you know what I'm saying, for Valentine's Day if you don't want to be like too formal in a dress or something. This would be a really great option. I love the style of it. I love the length of the skirt, but you can also obviously lengthen it if you want a longer skirt. I love the vest. I love the back of the vest. It's just very cute. I love this pattern. It is on my list of things to sew. Then we have this little McCall's. This is McCall 8554, and I love this pattern as well. It's really cute. This here, oh, she's sexy. I like it. You could also do either of these versions. That would work really well too. Who is calling me right now? All right, let's get back into it. We were talking about McCall's 8554, this little number. All 3 would make great Valentine's Day dresses. Love this one with the fuller, longer skirt. Love this one also. This is probably my favorite. I am obsessed with this. I definitely want to make that. And if I go out on Valentine's Day, this is probably what I'll be making for myself. Then we have Vogue 2063, which is like, love this dress. I love both lengths. I love the long one specifically, but the short one is really cute too. And this could be a really gorgeous date night dress if you're going somewhere fancy schmancy. This would be the one to go with. Now, if you're going out, but you want to be a little more casual, but you still want to be cute, a jumpsuit is always an option. So this is Know Me 2116. Obsessed with this jumpsuit, you guys. The dress is cute, yes, but this jumpsuit right here, this in like a bright red or in a black fabric would just be so good. This is definitely on my list of things to sew. Then we have McCall's 8534, and I've made this. This jumpsuit is an easy sew. You need something quick, something in a knit that you can breathe in, you can move in, you can have a good time, you can dance. This is the one. All 3 views are great. All 3 views. I made view A, which you guys can see here. Boop! There I am, girl, in all my Selena vibes. Bitty bitty bum bum. Girl, okay. Let me stop. This, great pattern, easy sew. You could get this done in a day. I love this pattern. It was easy to fit, and it looked amazing on me. And then last and certainly not least, my pattern, Simplicity 9917. This cute little number right here. She's cute, you guys. I love this dress. I made it several times after my pattern dropped, and obviously before my pattern dropped to photograph it. I still have them both in my wardrobe. The long one is fantastic. If you want something a little longer, you could pair it with like a little shawl because it's cold outside, y'all. I don't know where you live, but where I live, it's cold. Or you could do the little strapless short number and be a little schmexy, right? Be a little va-va-voom. But great pattern, full sew along on my YouTube channel, which you guys can probably see up here somewhere. So this would be really great as well. You can always be casual, and there's a ton of patterns out there for you guys to pick from, but these were just the ones that I was looking at for my Valentine's date night. So just thought that I would share. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I gotta remember to look at this camera. Y'all be patient with me, okay? I'm working on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.